and this video is purely for beginners. If you know you don't have any idea of where to start, you can watch this video. As we are doing it, playing around it, you are going to be understanding a lot of things. So if you look at the screen, you can see, check under the style, you see that we are on the head. Head is where all the elements in the page that are not visible on the page will be stuck in or will be put in. Then the other one, you have the body. The body is where all the physical elements of the page is going to be written. So if you can see on the page, you can see one of the page I've created already. You can see, let me remove this button so we will not be confused. You can see this is our first page. You have a first page already. So creating page is not a big deal. Coding is not a big deal at all. It's just a matter of calm your head down and understand what you are doing. At the end of the day, before you know, 6 months, 8 months, you have picked up. So you see, this is my first page. You put it under paragraph, opening tag and closing tag. Understand that most of the tag in most of the elements in HTML have opening and closing tag. Almost all of them, but there are some of them that doesn't have opening and closing tag. They only have opening tag, like the image and others. Now you have the P, which is the for paragraph. This P, it means paragraph. Anytime you use it, it means you are about to create another paragraph. Then you have the other one they call the H. The H elements give the write-up or your text a size. You're going to tell the computer that this text, I want it to be a large text, I want it to be a short text, I want it to be So let's just try it. Let's use H1 first. You can see on the screen now you have a H1. If you enter it, just let's put what do you want us to put? This page. Let's just use this page. This is a page. So if you use this, you save. Let's see. You see now the H1 element is having a very big write-up than when you write it ordinarily. So when you use ordinarily, it's going to bring out small write-up, but when you use a H1, it's going to bring out a big. Let's use H2. Now the moment you are going up, the write-up will be getting smaller and smaller. Let's just try and use a H2. The same thing. Let's say this is a page. Yeah, let's just so this is a page. This is a page. Are we there? Let's save. Let's save it. You see, H2 is smaller than H1. So you begin to understand this. Coding is very sweet. It's just that there are some parts that will be very difficult, although. But when you understand the basic, you don't try and stalk yourself. Don't try and rush. Just calm down. Me, I'm just calm learning coding, although I'm not still perfect. But just calm down. Don't do it because of the money. Just do it because you want to do it. Maybe it's your career. Like me, I just love coding. I love tech. So I'm not even doing it because of the money. I have other business I'm doing. But doing that, it makes me feel good, just like this computer routine. So this is how we talk to computer. Don't forget, coding is telling the computer, do this thing for me. And you know that computer does not understand your English, does not understand your Yoruba, does not understand your Ghana, does not understand your French, anything. But let's use a H3. H3. Let's type the same thing. This is a page. You save. You're going to see it's going to decrease. You see, the write up is going down. So H1 is bigger, H2 is following, H3 is following. Then you see, what next? Let's still use H4 so that you will understand it better. This is a page. Save. You're gonna see it's gonna be smaller. You can see this is how to use H. You have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. It ends in H6. Then the last one we're going to check is button. Now don't forget, you see some page, you see that they have button icon. You will just click it and we take you to another side. To take you to another page. So that's what we're going to be looking at now. So to the elements that can give you, that you can use to instruct the computer for button, you see, it's button. So this body does not have abbreviation, so you are going to enter it. So some of those elements, there's an element that are just abbreviated. So when you see they use like P, this up one, P for paragraph, you know that is an abbreviation. P stands for paragraph. But there are some abbreviations that are not even related to the spelling of that element or what you want to do. But that is how the computer understands it. So you get it. Now you see the button. So let's just put in button. Let's just say button. Let's save. So we have button on our browser already. So this is just a full page now. You can see we have a page. You have a web page already. So creating a page is not a big deal, but you just have to develop yourself in this.